All right, let's try this again. Can you hear me? Am I being heard? Is anybody listening? I love technology. Love technology so much. What's up, Jaker? How you doing? Hi, Ryan. How's it going? Good to see you. Good to see you. Right, there we go. Let's get this bad boy back over here. So we're gonna keep going with this ridiculous plan, this ridiculous idea of of Drupal plus Godot. Godrupal. Godrupo. Yeah, that's it. Godrupo. Let's do that. Let's do that. Ryan, no problem. I mean, I don't think I'm an inspiration to anybody, but I appreciate the kind words. Godrupo. I appreciate it, but I am far from always positive. So far. Um but let's add a media type. Okay, so gonna call it a sprite sheet. We're gonna call it an image. We're gonna make it a ooh, I like that. I like that. Media field image. Empty fields, what's going to be a little bit empty field is empty. Okay, okay, okay. You made a full stack app. Awesome. Congratulations. Very, very cool. Um, that definitely constitutes a full stack. Well done. Well done. Okay. Now, admin toolbar. There. This is things are not. Things aren't showing. Things aren't where they should be. Content authoring. No. Well, actually, yeah. That's a thing. But let's. Ooh, content types. Content types. Let's make a. So here's what I'm thinking with this. You know, it's a dumb thing, but I want to see if we can get a file from Drupal to Godot to make an update to a sprite sheet. Seems simple enough, right? Maybe, probably not, but worth a try. So that's what I want to see, and to do that, what I think we're gonna do, we're gonna pull my presentation dude. Then we're gonna make some edits to the colors and export him again and put the presentation dude in here and see if we can update. Um let's see. We're gonna call this content type. We're gonna call it oh, Ryan, I can wait. I was testing out one of the games I want to play and it's just not gonna work. It broke everything. If I try playing it on PC, it breaks everything. The only other option is playing it on Mac and feeding it into my capture card to see it on PC, and that's not great either. Um, see, we're going to do media, continue. Enable sprite sheet, continue. Yes, media type, sprite sheet. We'll do, nope, default. Default, default, saving all that. Okay. So let's asprite this shit. Asprite it right up. And where's this? Okay, now we're going to export sprite sheet. There we go. Okay, we're gonna we're gonna overwrite it there. But where did I save it to? Export sprite sheet. Where did you go? Documents? Documents? Why the hell would it go to documents? Do that. We'll go to there, projects. Godot. Sure, why not? Okay. So let's get into Godot. And first, let's get rid of this. Nope, not like that. And we're just gonna comment all that shit out for now. Okay. Let's add a new 2D scene. We're gonna add collision shape 2D. There, we're going to add in our why are you young? Ah, static body. That's what I meant. That's what I meant. You knew that, right? Y'all knew that. Shape world boundary. Put you right down there. Level. Yeah, character body 2D. Collision shape. We're gonna make it a capsule. We're gonna do that. Get that capsule up in ya. Then sprite 2D. File system. Let's go. Wait, where did? Oh no. Oh no. let's move you right there. That's gonna make me stop crying, I hope. There we are. 6. No, horizontal. Yeah, 6. 6. 4. Check that out. Okay. Just call it player. We're not going to do a damn thing with it other than, let's see. Um, this is what we're going to do. And then in level, just as easy as that. Now we've got a character. Maybe. Where you at, buddy? Okay, let's look at this. Boom. Okay. I don't care about doing the animations right now. I just want to get it visible. Even though he's teeny. I think we need to make him not so teeny. Project settings. We got to go in here. We got to go into rendering, textures. There we go. Now our pixel looks like pixel, right? Get on up there. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. So here is where we're getting curiouser and curiouser, right? So what I want to do is we're going to create a instead of doing the things in the control here, we're going to create a new class. We're going to create just a global class. Just a node. And all that it is HTTP request, right? Do that. Now we're going to pull a lot of the stuff that we had in here, and toss it into this new HTTP getter. And then we're going to paste all this shit. Where? Okay, we don't want that. And this is no longer a valid one. That's no longer a valid. There, we got this. Pop it in. And let's pop that up. Where did things go? Where are all the thingies? Wonderful, thingies are back here. You know what I need? I need some coffee. Let's copy it up. Coffee, you're my friend. We'll be together till the end. I'm just going to call this HTTP getter up there as well. So, so what's going to happen here is really all we have to do when we call the thing, ready's going to run. Right? So if I put this just on level, if I save this and then put it just on level, and then script it, will things just run there? And I'm gonna block out a lot of stuff. This is something I feel like I should know. Um, we shouldn't get to request completed because the no connection is going to happen. We're not going to do a request just yet. Do that. Let's run the level, and I'm just I feel like an idiot for not knowing this. Stuff that I should definitely like have in the back of my head and just like, what do you? Okay, all right, there we go. That's what I thought it did. Because as long as we're calling this, anything that's in ready is going to happen. So let's go back to Sprite. Let's go to frame 0 here. We're going to save as. And then let's make some changes. Let's make him Halloweeny. Not just weenie, Halloweeny. Jeez. Get your mind out of the. Whoa! Okay, and what we'll say now, little dude is a pumpkin, maybe? Little jack-o'-lantern there, right, right, right. And then we'll put on some fancy-ish here. All right, so this is presentation player color. I'm not going to go through. I'm not going to redo everything. I mean, as fun as it would be, we're not gonna do it all. Because we're just testing something. We're just trying something out here. All right, so we got a new sprite sheet there. Output file. This one instead is going to go into our documents. Okay. And now we have this. We're going to go to content, add content. We're going to add a sprite. Halloween, me. Choose a file from documents. Okay, and alt text is necessary. We're not going to actually display it though. So we selected it, we're going to insert it. Now we're going to save it. Check it out. We've got a sprite sheet here, right? So far so good. Everybody with me? All one of you? Yes, great. Um, so now that we have that, I should be able to go to JSON API. Drupal is not drooping. Um, why isn't Node Sprite? Okay, Node Sprite. Now here's where it gets funky. Here's where it gets kind of painful with it. Because, and maybe it's gotten better, maybe not. I'm not writing blogs for it. Nope. I pitched a talk for DrupalCon and for various Drupal events. I'm going to give a talk, and this is what it's going to be about. I'm going to find a way to inject game development into web development. This is where GraphQL would be a lot better. Because I get the media sprite sheet, but I don't actually get the file, which is bad. So I think that's where actually JSON API extras is going to come in a lot more helpful. If we go in here, if we go to the web services, resource overrides, yeah. I'm not gonna do an AI talk. That's not me. Override. Now this is definitely a bit of a shortcoming. Okay. Freedom, I've given a ton of talks. Um, a ton. No, nope. That wouldn't really tie into the topic. Um, okay, so this is where I am uncertain about things, but I kind of get it. But I would really love to be able to use GraphQL. Um, And this one I tried and it's just not there. It's really not there. I wish it was. Um, Apparently I've looked at this before. Okay, Drax is the one that I looked at and didn't like. This in less view files. This goes back to Drax. God damn it. Okay. Um. Oh well, that's good. Um. Let's see. I really don't want to have to build my own shit. I mean, I'm sure we could, but I would prefer not to. All right. As do I. I use quite a bit of GraphQL stuff. Um, no, that's 6 years. Fuck off. That is not what I want. Okay. Yeah, there is a bit of a learning curve. Filter. Filter. No. Includes. This is what I want. I If you say so, but I really don't. It's not AI. It's really not. It's me doing JSON API. There's no AI to it. The only thing AI is if I run into a problem and I need something explained to me, then I'll go to ChatGPT. But there's nothing to do with AI here. I'm not saying do this for me. I'm not having anything being built. GraphQL is not a kind of AI. It is an API. GraphQL is just something that you use to get data from somewhere else. There's no AI to it. Include. Okay, so let's try this again. See, we got that. Where is UID? I think it's just ID. So it will be field sprite sheet. Okay, let's try that. Here we go. Build sprite sheet. Included. Build media image. Now, let's see. Public file URL. Okay, so we include field ref media audio. So, okay. How was I writing this? Field sprite sheet, which is the ref. Fishman, what is up? Three home runs.
Subscribed for 3 months.
How you doing, my friend? It's great to see you. Okay, fields. Yeah, JSON API is a lot more powerful than I thought. Oh, bad me. Boom. Let's see. Do we get it included? There's the name. And here's the URL to it, but that doesn't make it. That doesn't make it. It doesn't give me like a direct link to it. And I have to dig down to how far here? No, what if I had a second one? What if I had a second second image? It's not gonna pull that. Everywhere I go, I see the same people. See this. Wait, what? I don't want to get that. I want to get a file. How do I get file? How do I do it? Um, this is essentially what I did, right? Include sprite sheet field mitigate image, and this one instead was nope, nope. Field image and fields file. Ooh, do I not have to go that deep? Do I not need okay, we got that. But I still don't have the damn old URL. Um so what happens here? We're looking for full image file URI. That's not helping. Let's go back. How long ago was this? How long ago was this? That's not really uh, field image, field image. All right, let's. There's the name. There's a file. But I'm frustrated here because it's leading me straight to public. If I go to that, let's open up a incognito here. No, that doesn't give me a good option. Um, let's see, Drupal. entity and image URL, but okay. No, that's not. Boo. All right, let's try this. Maybe I'm just, an idiot and not trying the right thing. Okay, got it. Got that there. Okay, good. Away with you. Now. The includes. Oh, lots of caps there. Trouble connecting to MongoDB using JS. Is it worth use SWQL or no? It depends on your usage. I mean, Mongo is flat file, NoSQL. I like relational databases. Um, okay, so let's see. We've got what error are you getting? Yeah, something like that is usually an authentication. I mean, it means that you're getting there. Well, I think it means no, not necessarily. It might mean that you're getting there, but you're not authenticating or you're not getting through to it. Or it could mean that you're pointing at the complete wrong thing. I don't know enough about Mongo to be of any help there. Okay, let's go here. Let's see the what? Damn it! It's doing this shit again. I'm not copying the whole damn thing. Edit, indentation, convert to tabs. Okay, now in here, let's see this. Signal. Let's go into player. Ryan, errors are how we learn. I mean, today I spent a lot of time trying to get GitHub Actions to build, and a lot for like the first couple hours that I was trying to do it, I got the same error, but it was the nicest feeling when I did something and got a new error. That meant I was making progress. I'm a big fan of failing and learning. Um, why isn't it interesting? Am I thinking of something wrong? And something like that, it wouldn't hurt to ask for some help to explain it to you, not just to have it do it for you. I wouldn't. I'd probably ask for an explanation if it could. I mean, if you don't have anybody who can walk you through it, I definitely can't. Um, um, hold on, got to blur for a second. Is I know that this is gonna slow me down. Yep, just like this. Okay, we can turn that off real quick and just let it go. Um, okay. So now here we once we get the image, we're going to now here's what I'm afraid of, because players here, I've got HTTP getter attached here. Um, I mean, I think it'd be overkill to do a singleton here. By a lot. Uh, I mean, I guess we could put it on the level here. Um, maybe I'm very curious what other people's thoughts are. Like what would you do if you were me? Probably not this. Ready? We're gonna do right there. Oh, two on ready. Two on ready. Okay, and then in playa. There. I'm going to, I think I could get rid of you two and pass on the ready. Um, Now let's see. We want character dot um you know, let's do something here. That way we have a little bit more control over it, right? Character sprite 2D. What's up, Odious? How you doing? Okay. So let's go here. Image texture. Oh, did I? Oh. Okay. Well, the goal right now is to get the the player image to be updated with an HTTP call. Moment of truth to watch it all burn down. No. Oh, well, I'll be damned. You know why? You know why? Because I never freaking put the URL in for this. That'll cause a fail. That's a failing. Um, where did my little? There we are. Almost Ajax, yeah, almost Ajax. I guess there is JavaScript because it's JSON, but yeah, kind of Ajax. All right, ads are starting up. I'm gonna take a break. I'll be back shortly. And play my game. Well, not my game, but a game. See y'all in a few. But it's comedy too. It's comedy. Welcome back, everybody. I didn't do anything other than paste the link just so I didn't lose it. So let's try this. Watch everything break. Boom, boom. Oh shit. Snowboard kids. Okay, so did I forget something here? Okay, let's see if we're at least getting into quest complete. Good, 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 good. Now, texture 2D, inherited by image texture. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Go back to local. Um, let's let's just see if we're actually getting the image here. And this was under that. No, nope. I'm just gonna copy it here. Copy it right there. Um, then here. God damn it. Edit. We're gonna do the indentation to tabs. Damn. NVC, what's up? Welcome in over on YouTube. Good to see you. All right, let's go back here to the level. Let's reset it and see if we just if we even get if we get an image back. Does not look like it. So why not? Why? Why aren't we getting an image back? We're not even getting errors. We're getting request completed, which means we are getting into here. Did I miss something very important here? Uh, unless, let's look at Code 2D. Nope. It didn't pop in. It looks like it pulled it, but didn't know what to do with it. Does that make sense? Is it because we're doing HTTP getter new here? It's just not connecting because it's trying to connect to different instance. Captain Krabs, what's up? Welcome in. Kind of feels like that's what's going on. Like there are two things happening here. So maybe if I were to remove this, it wouldn't do it twice. Let's see. Let's see. Nothing. Wait a minute. Oh, I am feeling like such a tool right now. Boom. Wow. Wow, if this works, if this makes it work. Did it. It's so stupid, but we did it. Look at this thing. NVC, thank you. It's so dumb, but I mean now we proved that we can have to do a better a better way of getting the um like filtering down the data. But we just got a sprite sheet from Drupal, from a website, and it popped up right here, so you can see the entire sprite sheet. And I can't believe I made such a stupid rookie mistake there. That's bad even for me. Shit, just realized I don't have Discord open. Just in case anybody wanted to be spooky or sorry. I know our friend Fally doesn't like that word. So I'm trying to be sensitive to it. Just in case, making sure nobody had or anybody decides to drop in or say hello. Do y'all get random friend requests from like people you've never talked to on servers you barely ever participate in on Discord? Because I find that I've been getting a lot of those. Anyway, let's see that again. Let's see that again. Boom. Oh, even quicker, even quicker. So this is a valid use case, right? I'd say it is, at least in my humble yet proud opinion. This is a valid use case for using a content management system to manage content for a game engine, making it easier to do updates of content and sprite sheets. And it's not just that, you could have an entire tile sheet, a tile set. Well, maybe that might be difficult. But if it's just a matter of replacing one image with another, then it shouldn't be too hard. But then it's one example. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pop over into VS Code wherever that may be. Gonna touch a git ignore. Gonna add in vendor. Gonna save a lot. Gonna save a ton. What else? Get rid of that config. And sites, default files. Actually, we're gonna there we go, got that. Nope, not what I want to do. Stop. Rid of that. That should take care of the majority of files and no longer yell at me for having too many. Or not. Or I could be wrong. What else can I pop out of here? Um, I don't think that's too much. I don't think that's really too much. Munglo, welcome in. Good to see you. Also, hi there. Yeah, too many files, but it is the initial commit, so I got that going for me. The stuff that I really wanted to make sure is ignored is ignored. So get 272. That's not bad. Wait, where are you at? Where? Ryan, it's a project for I want to give a talk, or I pitched a talk. Oh, this is in the Windows side. Okay, that's why it wasn't popping. I was getting worried. What the hell's going on? Tommy, if I think I just said hello. If not, hello. Where did Godot go? There you are. There you are. All right, so let's. Okay, okay. If you look closely, if you look very closely to our sprite 2D, we're gonna enlarge it. Take a good look. Take a good look right here at this one, especially the one. No, not the floating thing, but this number one frame. You see that number one frame? Everybody see it with the brown hair? The number one frame. Everybody got that? Do you remember what card you have? Is this your card? Wait, wrong thing. Okay, press play. Huzzah! We have swapped your brown hair with ginger. This first little dude is suffering from gingivitis. You see that? See that? Ooh, he jumps. Bye bye. Nope, I'm back. Now where you may be asking yourself, where did that come from? Well, I will tell you. Even if you weren't asking that, I'm going to tell you. Um, I created a sprite sheet in Drupal. I just put it right here. Shut up, Munglo. So I was able to pull in a sprite sheet Oh, geez, that's not a bad idea. Reusing this little dude in the Godot overlay. I was thinking about it. What to do, extra in the Godot overlay, but what did I call it? The Gadrupo, yeah, Gadrupo. Folks, this pleases me. This pleases me much. We got a sprite sheet from here working. Now there needs to be a lot more filtering, because if we look at what it takes for me to get in there, to get the info here, it's not the cleanest bit of data. We need to first see, okay, we've got a sprite node here with this ID. And then we go down and we look at the attributes. We need to find the relationship. Field sprite sheet. Right on, Ryan. Take care of yourself, and sometimes it's good to walk away. So we find the field sprite sheet of here, so we have to match the ID of this to this, and then hunt it or drill down to only get the image. Here, and then drill down to get the actual URL here. It's not clean. It's actually pretty unpleasant. I'm wondering if there is a better way, and this is why I wanted to do GraphQL, because I almost, oh no, dirty, bad me. No, okay. I was thinking, if we were to use Next.js on top of it, and that's just clogging up all the things, right? That's just making things um right on, Ryan. I appreciate that. I appreciate you hanging out. Well, things are getting weird in the US. I don't know about y'all, but I'm getting like nonstop um what's who's it's nonstop political emails. It's like, hey, give money. I don't have any money to give. Also, I live in a red state, so it really doesn't matter what I do. Um, so how could we get straight down to what did I just do? All right, so this filtered it by fields, URI and curl to see. Oh, that 2C is a comma. include, okay, so this, it's down here. So what I could do, is I'll have this, it's under includes. Is it under includes? Yeah, it's under included. Which I think that's the thing that bugs me a lot, is that I would really like to see the stuff underneath here, so I don't have to do it. So what we could do is, wait, let me back it on up here. Let's backing it up, boss, backing it up. Copy that. So if we get a single thing here, we've got the data, we've got the included attributes, URL. This is what we have to file or drill down to. I really wish that there were a better, well, actually, well, actually, if you look at the statistical probability of where'd image go? Oh wait, no, that's front page. Shut up, you. Shut up, me. Yes, yes. Okay, so if I go into this thing that does not yet exist, and we open this bad boy up. Do a quick little thingy there, and then do another quick little thingy here. Then we explore it with a quick little thingy here. All right, Ryan, take care. Content sprite. Here we go. Include. Learn more in the documentation. Okay, I'm clicking on the documentation. Ah. When to use include. Speaking of response size, save it at time, all free receive request. So okay. Let's think about this for a second. If I have all the things, oh, why the hell did I just save that? No, what the frick? Um, sorry, looking here, just on save files. No. Um, yeah, I'm kind of lost here. So if I were to do, so I'm thinking along the lines of what Gatsby JS does, better or worse, and probably what Next does, and what other React based or JSON API based or GraphQL based things does, with Drupal, where like if with Gatsby, when you used it, it would ping the site and download, or at least get JSON objects of all the content, everything, um, and store that and kind of cache that data, um, which makes sense to a point. I mean, you don't want to get everything if it's a big ass site and a shitload of content. Um, so maybe it's not the best way to go about that to get everything. But if all we're doing is experimenting and doing some sprite sheets and stuff like that, maybe it's not so bad to get all that and then massage the data into something useful that we kind of cache on the Godot side for the next time, especially if there's no network available. But again, this is just an experiment, right? This is just a testing 1, 2, 3 to see if it's something that can even be done. Um, I think we've proven so far that it can be done. Lots can be done. We've proven we've proven all the things. It's kind of cool. Uh, I'm happy about that. I am definitely happy about that so far. So we're gonna switch gears a little bit here. Um, because I want to do some prep for Saturday. And in case you didn't know, in case you hadn't heard, in case you hadn't been paying attention, Saturday I am doing a 24-hour stream for charity for the children. Um, and we're raising money for Children's Miracle Network or different kinds of actually game stuff. I'm working with some of my former coworkers from a job that I had several years ago, but we still keep in touch and we still work together for this. And my team, we're doing all the things. Uh, let me pull up my. Whoa, Cold Fusion. Wow. Dashboard. No, no. Wow. Is there a better link here that I could have? Because right now I'm looking at it. Get page link. Get page link. All right, that's slightly better. That's not still not great, but you know what? I'll take what I can get. So let's go back to taking a look at here at this. Um, there. I'm putting up a link there, and yeah, you don't have to wait till Saturday to donate. You could donate every day between now and then. You could donate every hour between now and then. You could give as much money as you want to the children. I'm for it. So here's a question. Since the whole charity, the whole thing is supposed to be 24 hours of playing games. I mean that's kind of the hold still. Fallen, what is up? Welcome, man. Good to see you. Um, I mean, the whole thing is what let's look at about yeah, play games, change kids. But what, is there anything there's nothing really saying um let's play games from your home or online or on any day that works for you. I'm doing the whole 24-hour thing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need to put in the widget. So it's a weird thing. I mean, yes, all the money goes towards the children, but if I use donor drive, which is, or if I use Fallen, can you see the pinned message, my friend? But if I use Twitch charity, I don't get credit for the donations. And yes, I know, it all goes to the kids. It all goes to the same place. But I have to, for it to really count towards me, so that I can get no, no, you are not. But so that I can get all the bonuses or things like, where is the? Let me look at my dashboard. Let's see. Um, a platinum. No, I don't even go on Facebook, you jackasses. Uh, that was rude. That was rude. Um, I don't even know where the thing is, but there are like goals where if you um make it to a certain point, you get like a shirt, and then you get other things. I don't know what all the things are. Um, I can't even find it. I don't know where to go. Oh yeah, like badges here, things like that. I can't find where the thingy is. That's like, I'm already signed up. I already did the thing. There's no change. I'm not changing. Oh yes, what's up? Welcome back. Oh yeah, things like this. Things like this. Um, Incentives. Like if I get $200, it's a T-shirt. Not a big deal, but it's a thing. And then there's something like for the first whatever number of people who give or who get $2,000, I think. Um, get a special Xbox controller. But I don't know where that info is. Game day. What is game day? Yes, I'm doing that. That's me. That's not me. That's definitely not me. That's more me. Um, yeah. This Xbox controller looks really cool. There we go. Yeah, things like that. I mean, I just want it to be my name. I want people to know how important I am and how hard I work for the children, for the kids. It's too grand of, probably 25 of that goes to the manufacturing, and another 5-10 goes to shipping of that controller, but the rest of it goes to the children's, right? It all goes to the kids. It's all about that the kids. Think of the children. All right, one more time. Stop it. All right, all right, all right, all right. And Ginger. Did you see that? Did you see that quick turn? In case you didn't see it, I just want to show off. If you look here, if you look here at that frame zero here in the sprite sheet here, everybody see frame zero. That is what is attached to the sprite. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. And and nothing. And huzzah! Oh, look at that. It's changed. It's changed. Where'd that come from? It came from Drupal. That's where. Okay, folks, I need help figuring out what games we're gonna do. Um on Saturday. My original plan was some Rocksmith, but I don't think it's gonna work out. Primarily because CC, welcome in. Good to see ya. Doing well, doing well. I just accomplished something. We made a thing that works. I'm feeling good, and now trying to plan out for Saturday. So Rocksmith is fun, but it does not work on this PC in conjunction with an Elgato capture card. Why, you may be asking, and to which I respond, that is a great question. So the other option is to plug in my MacBook, play Rocksmith on that, and share the video to my PC and stream it that way. Not my favorite option. So I think that we're gonna look at, you know, what can I, CC, it's a fun game. I like it. It's helped me out a lot at some things, but it is so fucking weird that having an Elgato capture card, an internal Elgato capture card, prevents me from playing. And when I actually got it to run on this PC, then I couldn't do anything else. I couldn't. I opened up OBS and camera gone. Tried to watch Twitch while it was open. A video feed gone. It just eats everything. And I tried changing all the video settings to like the lowest possible, and it just broke there. So I don't want to have to go through the pain of hooking up, playing a game on a Mac. I mean, come on. So, fucking hell. I need to just uninstall that NVIDIA broadcast. It keeps popping up. So we got this. Yeah, I'm gonna manage, uninstall, get out of here. Fuck off. So, a couple options that probably gonna do for a bit. Factorio, some Noida, Satisfactory, TCG, Simulator. That seems to be something that people want to watch. I was thinking doing UFO 50. Which is a lot of fun. I also want to open it up for people to play with. So you'll be fine, they said. If people want to play with, I mean, we'll probably do some No Man's Sky because there's a new expedition out. But like I've got some Jackbox games. We've got marbles. If anybody wants to do some Barbies blocks. I'm not fawning over it. It's just kind of it's the thing now. I mean, no, I get it. I totally understand. Um, Ooh, Rift Tracks is a fun one to play together. So we could probably do some of that. But 25 hours is a long fucking time. And it's going to be really, really easy to get bored or get unentertaining. Really easy to be non-entertaining. So I want to, I mean, obviously I want people to donate for the children, for the kids, for the kids. We need the kids. Um, but I don't want, desist. Welcome in, welcome in. I'm going to start at 8 a.m. US Central Daylight Time, and I'm going to end at 8 a.m. US Central Standard Time, which is actually 25 hours after it. Yep, I'm running a sprite. Ooh, I should probably close that down. Um, running a sprite. I'm running chat guest games. I'm playing all the things. You missed the mighty demo. But you know what? I'll show off again because I am proud of it. I am happy with what I accomplished here, and I want to show. I want to tell the world all about it. Even though it's kind of, you know, not the most amazing thing, but I did it, and it's worth talking. So you say, yeah, okay. I thought you were here for it. I'm here for it. Um, so the project that I'm working on, hooking up a website to a Drupal or to a Godot, right? So let's look at the player. We've got the player here. We've got the sprite. Holy shit balls. Where the hell did that come from? I just accidentally did Control Alt Delete, and I haven't pushed that combination of buttons I don't know how long. But all right, keep your eye on the little man in the boat. No, in the corner, in frame one here. You see a little guy, looks a lot like me. Looks like totally like me, only with no hat, and probably has self-esteem. Now, keep an eye on him. He is this is a sprite that's assigned to the character body, right? You see it? You see it? You see it? Pay attention. He's still right there. Now, when we press play here, some magic happens. Woody, 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 woo. Oh, he's ginger. How'd that happen? Ooh, I'll tell you how it happened. I'll tell you how it happened. I'll tell your grandma how to suck eggs. Boom. I put a sprite sheet on a website and I pulled it in. CC, yeah. I haven't gotten like all the things done with it, but it's just to show how we can integrate a CMS with Godot using content management. Um, uh, Content management system on the web to dynamically load in resources without having to do like a Steam update or download a new version of a game from itch. Having the example. You see that? Okay, visual novella. That is one of the key things that is possible with this. I mean, uh, you can have a content type with structured data, and if you want to have like page number, title, comment, or the text of it, and relate it to the next page or the previous page, then you could do all that in the content management system, and then pull that in when it loads up. That's the easier thing to do. Me, I like to be difficult. And do images instead, or you know, we're really gonna get fancy with it and do something like a 3D object. Maybe, I don't know. Probably not. Please don't let me do that. If you catch me doing that, please send somebody to flog me. Um, okay, we're gonna close down some browser windows. So it says it's not. It's great to have code that's clean and encapsulated and doesn't interact with other shit. It's great to have that, but in reality, if it works, it works, and um, you can just use it. I mean, there's the legend of Undertale where the whole dialogue system is just a bunch of ifs and buts and candy and nuts. Is that how it goes? I don't remember. Uh, but if it works, it works. All right, let's update some Marby's plaques. We're gonna have some marbles as a team sport, maybe. Oh, here it goes. Here goes. The downloads begin. Um, Probably gonna do a bit of Overwatch. Oh, I get it. I get it. I'm never happy with anything that I do, ever. I might lie about it, but I'm not happy. I'm never. I'm never. Um, I forgot I had a thingy here. Um, so right now I kind of want to open up some things and see how bad they play on stream. How much am I going to be sacrificing here? Cece, I envy you for that. Oh, how I envy you. Um, let's not do it by recent. Let's do it by okay. So last year, or maybe even the year before, I did Inscription. Maybe I don't remember. That was kind of fun. Hi-Fi Rush, I beat. It's a fun game. But I don't know if, or I think it has a stream setting. That American healthcare system. Yay. Oh, I get it. I get it. Don't be sorry. No sorries. No, no sorries. No. Where did my YouTube chat go? I'm gonna turn off YouTube and save some bandwidth here. Um,